some background on the case before we get into it. So the story is on the evening of August 7, 2008 at 7:33 p.m., John Jugglemeyers was found dead on his kitchen floor with a knife in his upper abdomen. Jugglemeyers was a very wealthy man. He lived in a mansion with 8 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 3 dogs, his wife, a butler, a maid, and a chef. The chef was the last one to speak with him and later discovered him in the kitchen, and therefore he is the prime suspect. So the issue that we're uncovering is that did Chef Gordon Ramsay murder John Jugglemeyers?
All rise, the Honorable Judge Ava presiding. Rise. All rise.
Please be seated. Remain quiet and follow the court rules.
Court is now in session.
This is the case of John Jugglemeyers' murder on August 7, 2008 at 7:33 p.m. As I understand the pleadings, there is a murder charge against Chef Gordon Ramsay for first-degree murder. Are there any opening statements?
Your Honor, in this case, we will show that one summer evening, my client Elizabeth's husband was eager for Chef Gordon Ramsay to make a special dinner 10th wedding anniversary. We will show that Elizabeth heard a loud scream coming from the kitchen. She immediately ran downstairs to a glorious scene. She walked to the scene of her husband laying on the ground with Chef Gordon Ramsay holding a knife in his hand. Through our evidence, we will show that the chef is responsible for the murder of Mr. Jugglemeyers. Thank you, Your Honor.
Please be seated.
Does the attorney for Chef Gordon Ramsay have an opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, in this case, we will show that these charges are false. We will show that Chef was actually trying to save John Jugglemeyers. He was trying to pull the knife out of his abdomen after hearing a scream coming from the kitchen. Through our evidence, we will show that the chef is not guilty and not responsible for the death of Mr. Jugglemeyers. Thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. Call your first witness.
I call Elizabeth Jugglemeyers as my first witness.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
State your name.
My name is Elizabeth Jugglemeyers. First name Elizabeth, last name Jugglemeyers.
Where do you live?
I live in a large mansion surrounded by a large grass field, a pond, and trees.
Is that mansion in Short Hills, New Jersey?
Yes, it is.
Who else lives in the mansion?
My husband, John Jugglemeyers, as well as the chef and butler who work there.
Did you see your husband speaking with the chef?
At the time, I was putting makeup on and I heard them talking to each other.
Why did you go upstairs then?
Well, I forgot my blush upstairs, so I ran up.
What was your first reaction when you heard the scream?
I was very frightened, so I ran down.
What did you see when you went downstairs?
I saw our chef Gordon hunched over John's body with a knife in his hand.
Did you suspect the chef at first or that you checked with your husband's body?
I didn't think anything. I just ran down and hugged John as I tried to clean up the wounds.
I heard an ambulance came. Were you the one who called?
Yes,
Was this before or after you cleaned the wounds?
after.
Please label this exhibit A. Who got this knife for Chef Gordon Ramsay?
My husband wanted to buy it for him.
What made you suspect Mr. Gordon Ramsay?
He was hunched over John's dead body with a knife, and he was the last person to talk to John. Plus, John was found dead in the kitchen. It made sense to suspect him.
Thank you, Mrs. Jugglemeyers. That's all the prosecution needs today.
Very well. Does the defense have any comments to make?
Yes, Your Honor. The defense would like to ask Mrs. Jugglemeyers some questions. Mrs. Jugglemeyers, did you order Chef Gordon Ramsay to make dinner?
Well, come to think about it, yes. I told him to make this special lamb grill.
Did you know why your husband went in the kitchen?
He told me he wanted to make something special.
Was he in his normal self that day, or was there something off with him?
prosecution have any more witnesses to call up?
No, Your Honor, the prosecution rests.
Very well. We will now hear from the chef's side of the case.
I call Chef Gordon Ramsay as my first witness.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Please be seated and state your name.
My name is Gordon Ramsay. First name is Gordon, last name Ramsay.
On the night of August 7th, 2008, 7 p.m., were you in the kitchen with Mr. John Jugglemeyers?
Yes, I was.
And before that, you were speaking to him in the kitchen?
Yes, I was.
What were you saying?
I was telling him I could help him cook if he'd like.
And then what happened?
He said it was okay, and I went back to the veranda.
And did you hear a scream at exactly 7:33 p.m.?
Yes.
What did you do?
I ran downstairs to the kitchen and found John laying on the floor with a knife in it. I panicked and tried to pull it out so I could save his wounds.
This is Exhibit B. It's a photograph of Chef Gordon Ramsay pulling a knife out of John Jugglemeyers. It proves that Chef Gordon Ramsay is not guilty.
Thank you.
Did you see Mrs. Elizabeth Jugglemeyers run down the stairs after the incident?
Yes, I did.
Good.
Very well. Is everything done?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does the prosecution have anything to say to the defendant?
Yes, Your Honor. You talked to him now? You were making the lamb. No, Mr. Jugglemeyers told me to take a break for a few minutes, so I left. You weren't in the kitchen during the day. How would you cook this exact recipe?
Objection, Your Honor.
What type?
Irrelevant information, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
You were the last person to see and talk to Mr. Jugglemeyers, correct? Yes. Then you were found hunched over with a knife, correct? Yes.
Does the defendant have any other witnesses to call to the stand?
Yes, we would. For our next witness, we would like to call up Butler Ben Switz.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear that the evidence you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Very well. State your first and last name.
First name, Ben, last name Switz.
Questioning may begin.
Where were you when the death occurred?
I was upstairs doing the laundry when I heard the scream.
And did you run downstairs?
I was going to, but Mrs. Jugglemeyers told me to stop and stay up here.
And then what did you do?
I continued to work because it was probably something expensive that broke, but I was confused because I didn't hear anything break.
Did you speak to Chef Gordon Ramsay during the day of the death?
Yes.
Did anything stand out that he said?
No, he was just talking about what he should make for the Jugglemeyers anniversary.
Or any unusual thing that Mr. Jugglemeyers would do?
As a kid, he was in the circus and he used to juggle extraordinary items. That's how he got the name Jugglemeyers.
Please label this Exhibit C. Was this the bow tie that Mr. Jugglemeyers was wearing?
Yes, it was. He got it from his grandpa when he was little.
Does the bow tie indicate any cuts?
No?
Thank you. Those are all my questions for you.
Does the prosecution have anything to say to the witness?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Switz, your connection to Mr. Ramsay is very strong, correct?
Yes. We've been friends since
now for your closing statements. Please proceed.
Your Honor, this questioning has proved that Chef Gordon Ramsay has lack of evidence, no eyewitnesses. My client clearly saw Chef Gordon Ramsay twisting a knife on Mr. John Jugglemeyer's upper abdomen, which even Chef Gordon knew. Without doubt, it can be clearly seen that he is guilty.
Is that all?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may be seated. And for the chef's attorney,
Your Honor, there is no prime evidence other than Chef Gordon Ramsay holding a knife, which can go either way. There is no other evidence that witnesses can provide. Therefore, you will say that my client, Chef Gordon Ramsay, is in fact not guilty.
thank you. You may be seated. Very well. The jury will look at the evidence and proceed with the verdict. Guys, discuss amongst yourselves.
Converse.
You have to all agree though.
It's a unanimous vote.
It has to be a unanimous vote.
Not investigating
to get the makeup, and then she made an excuse.
It has to be.
Definitely.
I just missed my husband so much.
She stopped.
He had a motive.
You guys have to remember, you all have to agree for it to be a unanimous.
Unanimous vote.
I'm Elizabeth. I'm Elizabeth Jugglemeyer.
Stay upstairs when he heard the scream.
Yeah.
He came back
So
too.
do you think that the chef is guilty?
Wait,
Tell him to know it.
You have to all agree though.
And then tell your decision.
Whatever you decide, tell me quietly.
Do not let us hear.
One person.
You all agree?
Discuss.
You have to all agree.
This table too.
He's
Discuss
not
with them.
guilty.
Okay, how about you guys talk?
I think it's Hannah because she told
My name is Elizabeth.
She told him to stay upstairs when yeah.
They look very similar.
I think Elizabeth was the guilty.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are they
So you don't think that the chef is guilty?
No.
So tell that to the nominees.
Whoa.
Converse more facts might be happening.
You conversed already.
No.
I think
That's not a verdict.
It is.
It's guilty or not guilty, you guys decide.
Yeah.
You can't accuse someone else.
That's a different trial.
Is guilty or not.
Yeah, you can't add a charge
You really are just deciding if there is enough evidence
You have to,
to
enough
make you
evidence.
think he did it. If they didn't show enough evidence, then you can't convict him.
Okay, so then he's not guilty.
But it's not a she, it's a he. It's not a trial. It's him.
Yeah, so
He killed my husband.
It's up to him. Verdict.
Oh, Nina.
Verdict. Quietly.
Don't play with the course field.
Silence.
Are we supposed to stand?
Yeah.
Order in the court.
Oh yeah. No, then you just say that. The jury's have decided.
Okay. The juries have decided. Chef Gordon Ramsay is not guilty.
This is not a fair trial.
Silence. All is fair. Mr. Gordon. Silence. Mr. Gordon Ramsay can leave freely and is protected from the Fifth Amendment.
Bye, guys.